Namaskar. A very warm welcome to the news bulletin of GCG. I'm Majishta, here to present the highlights of vibrant campus of Government College for Girls Ludhiana, where our students and faculty continue to make a remarkable strides and create a buzz of excitement. On 8th August, under the leadership of Principal Mrs. Sumil Lataji, the Career Counselling and Placement Cell at Government College for Girls Ludhiana organized a counselling session for third-year students. The event featured Mr. Soni Goel, Chief Mentor of Punjab 100, as the chief guest. He offered insights on achieving success and achieving internal growth. Mr. Goel, an IIM Ahmedabad MBA graduate, also introduced a free CAT coaching program for first 100 girls. Additionally, Mr. Anuj, a career counselor from DBEE, discussed various government schemes. The session was successfully coordinated by Mrs. Jaspreet Kaur, in charge of Career Counselling and Placement Cell, who expressed gratitude to Mr. Goel for his valuable contribution. On 10th August, a facilitation program was held at Government College for Girls Ludhiana to honor students of NSDC approval skill-based courses, including assistant beauty therapist, kitchen helper, and domestic data entry operator, sponsored by Bal Vikas Trust. The event was graced by Mrs. Rajni Bector as the chief guest and Professor Dr. Ashwini Bhalla, Deputy Director of Higher Education Punjab, as the guest of honor. College Principal Mrs. Sumil Lataji extended a warm welcome to the dignitaries. Certificates were awarded to around 150 students, with Dr. Bhalla commending them for acquiring essential skills for the future and urging them to emulate Mrs. Bector's success. Mrs. Bector inspired the students by sharing her entrepreneurial journey and encouraging them to pursue their dreams with determination. Dr. Jaspreet Kaur, coordinator of the skill-based courses, concluded the event with a vote of thanks. The occasion was also attended by Mrs. Rashna Sharma. Drive was organized by Rotary Club of GCG under the guidance of club advisor Dr. Madhvi Vashisht. President Tisha Mehta, along with 10 Rotractors, participated in the same to promote clean and green environment in the college campus. On 12th August, Rotary Club of GCG, under the guidance of club advisor Dr. Madhvi Vashisht and Mrs. Jaspreet Kaur, along with 8 Rotractors, visited Darpan Center for Autism, Gurudev Nagar, Ludhiana, with the objective to sensitize the students towards the issue of autism. The Rotractors created a positive environment by engaging them in activities like games and dancing. They were also provided e-tables and stationery items. In the end, all recited the national anthem. On 14 August, the Commerce Department, in partnership with Skillto, hosted a seminar on digital design and social media. The event featured Mr. Abhishek Sharma, an entrepreneur and startup incubator, along with Mr. Vardhan Sharma, an ex-Google UI UX marketing strategist and a founder of Skillto Education and Studio. The seminar provided in-depth information on Skillto's logo and social media design courses, emphasizing their advantages. It was an interactive session with the speakers engaging with students, questions and sharing personal insights. The seminar was well received and Mrs. Sarita Khurana, Head of Commerce Department, praised its success and encouraged the students to pursue skill-based courses for attaining career excellence. On 15th August, the 78th Independence Day was commemorated at Government College for Girls Ludhiana with great enthusiasm. The celebrations began with the flag hosting ceremony led by Principal Mrs. Sumil Lataji and the Senior Staff Council. In her address, Mrs. Sumil Lataji expressed pride in nation's independence and emphasized the importance of contributing to the country's progress. The event was further enriched by the stirring performance of patriotic songs by Dr. Namita Sharma ji and Mrs. Anita Sharma ji from the music department. The college's NCC cadets and NSS volunteers showcased their discipline through a parade. Both teaching and non-teaching staff honored the nation's martyrs and even concluded on a patriotic note with the distribution of sweets and singing of national anthem. GCG students have illuminated the academic landscapes with their exceptional achievements, demonstrating their brilliance and unwavering dedication in university examinations, where Medhavi secured the first position with an outstanding 97.75% in Bachelor's of Art, 4-semester exams, while Deepika Goyal earned the fourth position with 90%. Additionally, in BSc exams, Samriddhi and Simran secured second and fifth position in the second semester. In Bachelor's of Business Administration, Komal Preet achieved fifth place in the fourth semester and Divya Sharma ranked fourth in the sixth semester. Principal Mrs. Suman Lata ji congratulated the students and faculty for their back-breaking work, emphasizing that these triumphs reflect the collective efforts of both students and teachers and encourage students to continue excelling in the future. With this, we came to the end of this news bulletin. This is Majishta Tuli signing off. We will be back with another news bulletin very soon. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.